Homemade borax ant killer can be adapted to target other pests, but its effectiveness varies by species and application. Borax works as a stomach poison and abrasive that damages insect digestive systems and exoskeletons. So for cockroaches, you can mix 1 part borax with 3 parts powdered sugar or flour to create a bait they will eat. Place this bait in thin layers along baseboards, under appliances, and inside cracks where roaches travel, refreshing every 7 to 10 days until activity declines. For ants, use a sugar water solution with a small amount of borax dissolved so foragers carry it back to the colony, but avoid making the solution too concentrated because that will kill only workers before they can share it. Termites feed differently as they consume cellulose in wood and their colonies are often inaccessible, so borax applied as a surface bait is unlikely to reach the queen or entire colony. Borate treatments can be effective when applied as a wood preservative or injected into galleries at professional concentrations, but that requires proper safety and mixing procedures. Always wear gloves and keep borax away from children and pets because ingestion in large quantities can be harmful, and store baits in sealed containers when not in use. When targeting multiple pest types at once, prioritize correctly identifying active species by observing behavior and droppings. Then place baits where those specific pests travel rather than scattering one mixed bait everywhere. If you do not see decline within 2 weeks for roaches or a month for ants, stop and reassess identification and bait placement rather than simply increasing borax concentration. 3 common mistakes are using borax in visible clumps where pets or children can access it, which you can fix by placing baits inside containers with entry holes sized for the pest or using bait stations. Assuming one application will eliminate a colony when slow-acting baits need time and persistence, so stick to a scheduled bait refresh and monitor activity with sticky traps. And applying borax to termite-infested wood as a do-it-yourself surface dust expecting full control, which is why you should instead consult a termite specialist for targeted injection, heat treatment, or approved liquid barriers if galleries are present. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who handle pest control and related repairs and helps contractors find work by listing projects and leads in their service area. We also have a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share real-world experiences and practical tips about treatments like borax and alternative approaches.